It's actually quite simple. I just have to buy a ticket. I bought it two ways, to go up and down, just in case I didn't want to walk or something. I didn't really see an elevator go up, at least from the way that I came through. There were some staircases, but I figured not to waste time. But let's go explore up there. Obviously, I'm in Lithuania already. In Vilnius, the capital city. So let's check this place out. I'm really eager to check one of these tourist attractions. Welcome back to another episode here on The Richter Show. And today we are in Lithuania. We're actually in Vilnius, which is the capital city of Lithuania. And right now I'm at the first tourist attraction that I'm going to go see today. I'm going to show you a little bit up behind me. I'll also do a panorama view of everything. It's technically my second day here because the first day I was just exhausted and very jet lagged. I had taken 3 planes, I've been at 3 different airports, and I just wanted to get to the hotel and go to sleep. I had very bad sleep the day before. But anyway, let me show you a little bit of the city. This is actually a really cool view from here. It is currently snowing, not heavy snow, but it is going to be snowing the whole day. But at least I get to enjoy a little bit of the snow without actually being exactly the winter. But as you can see, I still have to wear a jacket. It is pretty chilly willy right now. And let's go check out the other side. You should just get a view of what it looks like from the other side, and I'll get you a little more information maybe on the bottom of the name of this place, because I forgot right now. Well, let's check it out. And oh, this is an amazing view. Just wait until you see it. Wow, spectacular. And I do have to mention that there's not that many people, at least while I'm here, mostly because it's not summer, and overall people don't like to come out when it's winter time or when it's snowing. Snowball. But at least it's at least more affordable for me when I come on the off seasons. And if I really like something, I can come during the summer as well. But right now I'm just trying to knock out every country in the world first before repeating things. And as if for some strange reason, will be repeating countries. But anyway, yeah, it's a little bit cold, and so I have to catch my breath, but especially since I was going uphill. But let's take a look at it. Actually, look from this side. I wonder if I can go up there. Probably, I don't know. And I wonder if I can go there too, but it looks like it might be closed. Anyway, I'll go try. Like I always say, do things if it doesn't say you cannot do them, and do things until somebody tells you, hey, you can't do that, sir, until somebody stops you. There seems to be like a park down there. Awesome historical site. Beautiful city. It's also curious to know how it looks during the summer as well. And actually, another amazing thing about this city is when you like and subscribe, so that way you can help me grow the channel and I can make more trips and more videos like these. so I can give you a little more of an insight on how the places look and how the places are, and how to get them, how to use things, public transportation, which is something that's very common here in Europe in general. People use mostly public transportation, not too much their own vehicles, because it's more affordable and sometimes it's even faster. To go up, if I want to go up there, I have to pay the toll toll. Those are the prices for now. And I can't translate that because I don't speak Lithuanian. Sorry. Alright, let's go in. So I made it to the top of the tower. I'm where the flag is right now, and it has probably the most spectacular view. Now I'm going to show you two types of views. I'm going to show you like the more modern city, and then I'm going to show you the old city, which the old city is more interesting. So here it is. That's the more modern society. I'll see maybe if I can go over there. There seems to be a, I don't know if that's like a church or a temple right on the tippy top. Obviously, at the other bottom of the castle, or the tower, I'm sorry. And let me show you the most spectacular view. It's on the other side. Check that out. This is really, really exciting for me, and it's really, really fun for me to experience this and see this, because I've never did I ever think that I would come and travel the world to see other countries. So check it out. Look at that. That is the old town, the old city. It just looks amazing, even after so many years. It just looks spectacular. Look at that. Such a beautiful and spectacular place to visit, to see. Now we're here, of course, and you see slowly like the transitioning into what is a more modern world. Very affordable here. At least for me, they're very affordable. So I'm going back down, and I'm trying to figure out go explore that area where there's a little bit of snow on it. Try to show a little bit of the ticket booth, so that way if you're a little confused how to get into it, because I mean it's very simple to get to it, so you can go up there and use the lift. But sometimes, you know, if you're new or you haven't explored cities like these before, it could be quite confusing when you're exploring a new country for the first time, and you understand how the streets go, where things are going. Alright, let's get out of here. And go over here, grab our ticket, scan it. It's that simple, that easy. So now where are we gonna go? I'm trying to go to the right, but I'm gonna show you where you come in through here. Okay, so go like that. You gotta find this. From the window I'm walking back to where I came. I guess you can kind of play this in reverse. See exactly how to get. There you go, one of these gates. This is the entrance to it. Alright, let's see if I can reach another cool spot.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter show, the Richter show.